Question number 6, we want to identify the given line if the given line is horizontal or vertical and give it slope. So x equal, and the way I always think about these, x equals is going to cross the x-axis. So here's y, here's x. So if a line is going to cross the x-axis, it has to be going this way. It's going to be a vertical line, and the slope of vertical line is undefined. Okay. While I'm here, I think in class I showed some students this diagram, which we call slope face. And it's just giving you an idea of what all the slopes are. So it may make a little bit more sense now. We're going to draw them in the angry way. So this line is going downward from left to right, indicating that the slope is negative. So therefore we use a minus sign. This is kind of like an eyebrow, one of his eyes. This slope, this line is going upward from left to right, and so that is represented by a positive slope. So we got negative slope, we have positive slope. And then we have this vertical line going up and down. Its slope is undefined, so that U shape is kind of like the nose. And then we have horizontal line, which has 0 slope. So it's kind of like the mouth. So this little face can kind of help you understand the different slopes, whether it be negative, positive, undefined, U-shape, or 0 for horizontal. Now part 2, we want to graph the line by plotting 2 points. So we know x is 3, and the other points don't matter. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'll just put a point here, get my mouse straight, and any other point on that line. All right, 7. We are given this equation and we want to determine the slope and y-intercept. In order to do that, we have to solve and put it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The equation that we're given is x plus 9y equals 27. Okay, so I need y by itself, so this x has to go. It's positive, so I'm going to move it over here. It's going to become negative. So 9y equals negative x, and this is a positive 27, so plus 27. And then get rid of the 9 that's attached to y by dividing it off. Divide by 9, divide by 9. And this will become y equals. So as the slope, the number in front of x is understood to be a 1. So we're going to pull that separate, negative 1 over 9, and then put the x. So this time it's good to put the 9 or the 1 whenever it's over a number. And you're trying to identify the slope. And then 27 divided by 9 is 3. So now we can see the slope here and the y-intercept here. So y-intercept as an ordered pair, remember, is always 0 for the x value, and then the y value, and then your slope is 1/9, a negative 1/9. And then y-intercept as an ordered pair, 0, 3.